Hello everyone, my name is Hyandri Maharjan. I'm currently studying in Birmingham City University under the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Built Environment. Today in this video, we'll be talking about a mini crude project which I have developed about hospital management. If you are a beginner, this video will definitely help you understand the concepts of crude. So what exactly is crude? Create, read, update and delete. This hospital management system uh, can be used to create, read, update, and delete the datas of patients and doctors. So let's dive into the code, the system. We have divided the whole system into two different Python files, admin file and min file. In main file, we have called all the methods we have made in admin file or admin class. In admin file, we have declared an admin class, declared self method, username, password, and address. Now let's look at get doctor details. In this method, we we want the user to input first name, surname, and specialty of the doctor to be registered. Now, where exactly is this data being used? Here in doctor management. When user inputs one in doctor management, the code asks the user to enter first name, surname, and specialty of the doctor, and the new enter doctor is registered in doctors.txt text file. This is the code how it exactly runs. And this is the first part of CRUD system create. Similarly, uh, new data of patient is created in patient management. When user inputs one in patient management, the system asks the user to enter full name, age, phone number, postcode, and symptom of the new system to be registered, new patient to be registered. Now let's talk about second part of CRUD, read. So what exactly is read? It means reading the data of doctors and patients registered into the system. So where exactly have we implemented read of CRUD? Here in view patients. This is a method we have made to view the data of patients which is registered into the system. This is the template how the datas are displayed, and this is the code how patients are printed. We will show how it is printed shortly. Similarly, we have made method for printing doctors. This is the code for it. Now let's talk about third feature of CRUD system, update. So what exactly does update do? Update updates the existing data of doctor or patient which is already registered into the system. In our hospital management system, we can update the data of doctors. Here in doctor management, if the user inputs 3, this part of code updates the data of doctor. Here the text file, doctor text file is being read, and it asks the user which data of doctor he or she wants to update, and accordingly the new data is registered which is updated. And lastly, the fourth feature of CRUD system, delete. In our hospital management system, we can delete the data of doctors which are registered into the system. If the user inputs 4, this block of code gets executed and the doctor registered into the system gets removed permanently. We cannot exactly delete the patients, but we can discharge the patient, which uses the concept of delete. Let's see, patient management. Here we have made a separate method for discharging. This block of code gets executed and the registered patients from patient.txt file gets discharged and gets appended in a discharge patient.txt text file. Firstly, patients.txt file is being read, and the code confirms if the user wants to discharge the patient. And here, if the index of the patient user wants to discharge is in the text file of patients patient.txt, the line of the indexed patient gets deleted and gets written in discharge patient.txt text file. This is how the delete property of CRUD system is executed in hospital management system. Now that we have talked about root system executed in our hospital management system, let's talk about other features included in the system. One of the features included in hospital management system is report of the whole management. User can access different reports such as total number of doctor in the system, total number of patient per doctor, total number of appointments per month per doctor, and total number of patient based on illness type through this method. The report is presented through a graph by importing matplotlib as PLT. It is imported in this admin class. Now let's talk about the final feature of our hospital management system, admin login. To avoid unauthorized access of hospital management system, we have implemented this feature such that if username and password both match the default username set username and passwords, then the admin can access the whole hospital management system. This is the block of code which implements it. We have corresponding feature to update the uh, admin username and password and address as well. Now let me show you the live demonstration of my hospital management system and how CRUD features are correctly executed into the system. When we run the file, it asks for admin username, which is admin, and password 123, which is correct because we have admin and 123 in our login.txt as our admin username and password. This gives me access to the hospital management. When I want to uh, register, let's say, a new patient, I enter 2, I enter 1, which is registering a new patient. Enter patient's full name, which can be Hyandri Maharjan, age 22, mobile number anything, postcode anything, symptom leg broken. Now let's view the patients registered into the system. We enter 2, and as you can see, these are all the patients registered into the hospital management system. If you want to register a new doctor, we enter 1, we enter 1, we enter the doctor's first name, which could be
Lisa Rai, specialty endoscopy.
now let's view the doctors 1, 2, and these are all the doctors which are registered into the hospital management system. Now let's say I want to assign a doctor to patient. We enter 5. We we are presented a list of patients. Here doctor has been assigned to Sarah and Sulav and Henry. Mike Jones has not been assigned, so we enter 2. We are given a list of doctors. The symptom is also printed. Patient symptom, corresponding symptom of the patient, which is vomiting. Let's say we have to do endoscopy, so we assign doctor 6. Now, when we view the patients, Lisa Rai has been assigned to Mike Jones. This is how assigning works in hospital management system. This is a brief explanation of the hospital management system which I have developed following the CRUD method. The whole code is open source available in the GitHub, which I have provided the link in the description below. You can try it out yourself. This is a beginner friendly program, and I hope you have learned about crude systems and hospital management system and how this hospital management system was possible through file handling. Thank you.